Welcome to Drawlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add weather widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen. After that just tap on widgets. From here scroll all the way down. Then just tap on weather and that's it. Now here you can find 7 kinds of weather widget and you can add any weather widget on the home screen as you like. Suppose if you want to add this weather widget to your home screen, just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to the home screen and you can see it's added successfully. Now if you touch and hold it and then tap on settings option, from here you can customize your weather widget. Here you can see background color option. You can see 3 options: matching phone settings, light and dark. You can choose any option as you like. I select match phone settings. You can also enable or disable your background option from here. Now if you want to add your current location on the weather widget, just tap here. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data and phone location is turned on. Then weather will select your current location automatically. Then just tap on save and it's done. Also if you want to check more details about weather, just tap here and here it is. And that is how you can add weather widget on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.